Mendix Honest Review. Watch before using. Let's talk about Mendix, a low-code development platform that promises to make app creation faster and more accessible, even for non-developers. But does it deliver on that promise? Here's everything you need to know before using it. Mendix is designed for businesses looking to build enterprise-level applications quickly, without relying solely on traditional coding. It allows you to create web, mobile, and multi-channel apps using a drag-and-drop interface, which drastically reduces development time. One of its standout features is collaborative app development, where developers, business analysts, and even end users can work together in real time, ensuring the final product aligns with business goals. Mendix is particularly useful for large enterprises that need scalable solutions. If you're in banking, manufacturing, or insurance, industries that require custom software solutions to stay competitive, Mendix could be a game changer. The platform is built to handle complex logic and integrations with existing systems like SAP, Salesforce, or AWS, which makes it a solid choice for companies dealing with legacy systems. However, it's not just for large corporations. Even mid-sized companies can leverage it for internal tools or customer-facing applications. Where Mendix truly excels is in its speed of deployment. You can go from concept to a working app in weeks instead of months. It also offers built-in templates, widgets, and connectors, which significantly reduce the effort needed to start a project. Plus, with cloud deployment options and multi-device compatibility, your apps are instantly ready for web and mobile. It even has AI-assisted development tools to help suggest logic flows or flag errors in real time, improving productivity. However, it's not perfect. The learning curve can be steep for non-technical users. Despite being low-code, it still requires an understanding of app architecture and workflows. Additionally, pricing can be a concern. Mendix operates on a subscription model, and while there is a free tier, enterprise plans can get expensive, especially for smaller teams. Also, custom coding is sometimes necessary, particularly for more complex apps, which could defeat the purpose if you're aiming for a fully low-code experience. So, who should use Mendix? It's best suited for companies looking to build apps faster without sacrificing scalability and organizations needing to modernize legacy systems. But if you're a solo entrepreneur or small business with simple app needs, this platform might be overkill. In summary, Mendix is a powerful low-code tool for enterprises, but be prepared for some learning and budgeting challenges. Know what you're getting into before committing.